has been cleared to buy Joint Light Tactical Vehicles in a move that tightens tactical mobility, strengthens force protection, and deepens interoperability with NATO partners. The United States State Department approved a potential foreign military sale to Canada for Joint Light Tactical Vehicles and associated equipment worth an estimated $160 million. The package requested by Canada includes up to 60 Joint Light Tactical Vehicles and 9 cargo trailers, plus communication systems, mobility and survivability enhancements, spare and repair parts, special tools, technical manuals, maintenance trainers, and fielding support. U.S. government and contractor personnel will provide technical, engineering, and logistics assistance during implementation. At its core, this acquisition is about protected mobility and modern connectivity. The Joint Light Tactical Vehicle offers a step change in crew survivability compared with legacy light tactical vehicles while retaining off-road mobility and transportability. Communication systems and integration equipment in the package are designed to improve situational awareness and C4I integration, enabling Canadian units to operate more effectively in coalition environments and complex domestic scenarios. The principal contractor named for the program is AM General. While Canada commonly pursues industrial offsets, any offset agreements will be negotiated directly between the Government of Canada and the contractor. From an industrial base perspective, the AM General relationship matters for sustainment, depot-level repair pathways, and long-term supply chains that will underpin operational readiness. Implementation will be comprehensive. The fielding program is expected to include initial deliveries, new equipment training, depot-level maintenance planning, and in-country technical support over a multi-year window. Expect a phased approach that begins with training and initial fielding, followed by ramped deliveries and full integration into brigade-level structures. The logistics footprint and training pipeline are as important as the vehicles themselves because they determine how quickly the capability reaches operational units. Integrating Joint Light Tactical Vehicles expands Canada's tactical mobility and protective envelope for dismounted troops. The vehicles are suited for expeditionary tasks, peacekeeping operations, and continental domestic responses where survivability and reliable communications are priorities. For commanders, the JLTV family increases options for mission re-roll, escorts, reconnaissance, and protected transport in hybrid threat environments. The transaction advances Allied burden sharing by standardizing a key tactical mobility platform with the United States and other partners. That standardization simplifies coalition logistics, spares pooling, and training interoperability during combined deployments. Framed another way, the purchase signals Canada's continued investment in modern, interoperable platforms that support NATO missions, peace operations, and rapid coalition responses. No acquisition is risk-free. Key challenges include configuring the vehicles to meet Canada's unique operational needs, building out maintenance infrastructure, securing long-term spare parts supply lines, and ensuring training throughput for both operators and maintainers. Lifecycle costs beyond the initial acquisition price must be factored into force modernization plans, especially depot sustainment and midlife upgrades. Monitor the formal contract signature, detailed configuration choices such as protection and mobility packages, negotiated industrial offsets, and the announced delivery schedule. The pace of training and the initial deployment units will reveal how rapidly Canada intends to bring the capability to operational readiness. Any adjustments to quantities, options for additional spares, or expanded sustainment agreements will materially affect total program cost and operational impact. This proposed $160 million sale of Joint Light Tactical Vehicles is a pragmatic modernization step that enhances force protection, tactical mobility, and alliance interoperability. The real test will be how Canada manages integration risk, funds sustainment, and chooses vehicle configurations to meet both domestic and expeditionary missions. Done well, the program will strengthen Canada's operational flexibility and its ability to operate seamlessly with NATO partners. If you want a deeper dive on vehicle protection packages, JLTV variants, or how Allied logistics chains adapt to new platforms, tell us which topic to analyze next. Subscribe for focused defense procurement analysis, and leave a comment with the capability you want explained in the next video.